is clear. It's right now.
What's up? Carl is Sweet. What's up, Sweet? What you want? It's Mama. She's dead.
So like relax, I'm spilling these raps long as you feel them. To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. So this is like a full-blown attack, I'm more dramatic. Cause I don't really think that the fact that I'm slim matters. A black and platinum status is whack if I'm not the baddest.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib? Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.